Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. This is Dr. Murlidhar. In this video, I am going to explain you about job analysis. This is very important topic in human resource management. Right. First and foremost, what exactly the job analysis? So, I am going to explain you about the definition, introduction, importance of job analysis, steps for job analysis, and I am going to conclude the topic. Right. First and foremost, what is the definition of job analysis? Job analysis refers to systematic process of collecting all information about a specific job. See, job analysis contains a simple term called analysis, which means detailed study or examination of something. Here, something means a specific job. What for we are going to do analysis? In order to understand more about the job. Besides that, it will also analysis about the including skill requirements, roles, responsibilities, and processes in order to create a valid job description. This is what in nutshell about job analysis. Again, I'm going to tell you the job analysis refers to systematic process of collecting all information about a specific job, including skill requirements, roles, responsibilities, what for in order to create a valid job description. Move on to the another one. Means here, job analysis is an important step ensuring the right candidate should be selected for the particular job. See here, the job analysis helps employer in recruitment, selection, performance management means performance appraisal, and choosing the compensation and benefits in various aspects. The job analysis will be useful for the employer, and it also helps the employees to have a clear picture of what is actually required of them. Right. So in in nutshell, what is job analysis? Is it is a procedure through which you are determining the duties and responsibilities, nature of the jobs, and finally to decide qualifications, skills, and knowledge to be required for an employee to perform a particular job. Right. Having said that, let me move on to the what are the contents involved in job analysis. In this process, in the process of job analysis, the job analysis analyzing the duties, tasks, and responsibilities of a job. Right. Here, the job analysis has been categorized into two different aspects. They are job description and job specification. Right. What is job description? Is a job description is a broad and written statement of a specific job in the organization based on the findings of the job analysis. It is a statement of tasks performed in a job and the purpose of the job. Job description generally includes duties, purpose, responsibilities, scope, and working conditions of a job along with the title of job, department, reporting relationship, key areas of the responsibilities, and terms of the employees, and the designation of the person to whom the employee reports. So, job description usually forms the basis of job specification. It is where the details regarding the jobs are given. Right. Again, it is a list of job duties, responsibilities, reporting relationship, working conditions, and supervisory responsibilities. These are the job description. When I talk about job specification, it is a statement in which we explain the qualities required by people applying for the job. Job description is total about the specific job based on the findings of the job analysis. Job specification in which we explain the qualities required by people applying for the job. So, job description about the job. What is the job department to whom you are going to report? What is your responsibility? What is the terms of employment? Like that. When I talk about job specification, means what are the skills needed for the purpose of doing the job. A listing of the skills, knowledge, abilities needed for a job. It includes education, experience, training, required skills, knowledge, and characteristics, also known as KSA. Knowledge, skills, and abilities. It includes education, experience, skill requirement, personal abilities, and mental and physical requirements for the job. In simple, on lighter note, the job specification for a data entry operator might include a required educational level, certain number of months of experience, typing ability of 60 words per minute, high degree of visual concentration, and ability to work under time pressure. So, it is important to note that accurate job specification identify what knowledge, skills, and abilities a person needs to do the job, to perform the job. So, this is what actually about the job specification. Having said that, let me also move on to the what is the importance of job analysis. What is the significance of the job analysis? Why we are doing job analysis? First thing I would like to discuss here. It is a major benefit for manpower planning. Means, see, it is a qualitative aspect of the manpower needs as it determines the job requirement in terms of the skills, qualities, and other human characteristics. So, this facilitates the division of labor into different occupations. That is the first one. The second advantage or importance of job analysis is it is useful for the recruitment, selection, and placement. If you wanted to hire a good person for the job, it is very important to know the requirements of the job and the qualities of the person who will be doing the job. So it provides the job analysis provides information about the job entails and what human characteristics are required to perform these activities. Besides that, it is in the form of job descriptions and specifications. Most importantly, it helps the management to decide what sort of people to recruit and hire. So the information on these elements comes from the job description, and job description helps the manager to tailor the job requirements closely possible to the attitude, skills, interest of the employees. The other advantage and significance of job analysis is training and development. So, based on the job requirements identified in the job analysis, the company decides training program. Training is given in those areas which will help to improve the performance of the job. Why we are going to give that training? It helps manage learning development programs. Similarly, when it comes to the appraisal, it is conducted, we check whether the employee is able to work in a manner in which we require him to do the job. The other thing, job evaluation. What exactly the meaning of job evaluation? Job evaluation refers to studying in detail the job performance by all individual, the difficulty levels, skills required, and on that basis salary will be fixed. The information regarding qualities required, skill levels, difficulty levels should be obtained from the job analysis. So, the other importance of job analysis is performance appraisal. So, based on the job analysis data, it is a clear standard of performance for each job. So, employee performance can be objectively evaluated against the job performance standards. Right. The other thing I would like to mention here, job designing. So, industrial engineers may use the job analysis information in designing the job by making the comprehensive study of the job elements, right, and safety and health. So, most of the companies prepare their own health and safety plans and programs based on the job analysis only. From the job analysis, company identifies the risk factor on the particular job, and based on the risk factor, safety equipments are to be provided to all the employees who are required. So management can take corrective actions to ensure safety of workers and reduce the risk of hazards, to eliminate harmful condition through job analysis. Right. The other one is employment guidance. It is also known as employee counseling. Job analysis provides information about the career choices and personal information. This information will be helpful in occasional guidance and rehabilitation counseling. So, the job description, which is basically carried out on the basis of job analysis, helps the aspirates in ascertaining the job for which they have the necessary ability and skills. So basically, employees who are unable to cope up with the hazards and demands for the particular job, they may be advised to opt for subsidiary jobs or to seek premature retirement. Having said that, let me also move on to the some other significance of job analysis. It is also useful for the promotion based on the effective policies formulated in regard to the promotions and transfers and labor relations. See, this is serves as the basis for resolving disputes that may arise due to the quality of performance of expected workers. Having said that, it will also provide you different aspects like acceptance of the job offer, any labor relations should can be improved, right? Then let me move on to the steps for the job analysis. Means the steps involved in the job analysis are what is the process of job analysis. First one, gather information about a position. This is the first step of job analysis under which required information related to various aspects of the jobs are collected. Information should be obtained through different methods like interviews, observation, questionnaire, critical incidents methods. So, it is associated with the preparation of plans and programs and assignment of the responsibilities to the concerned person. So, encourage employees to perform their duties and be specific as possible when defining the responsibilities. Read the manual or document that explains the current position. Then, the second one is evaluate the importance of each task and competency. Understand what skills are needed to perform each task and rate the difficulty of each task and skill Determine the top level skills for each location. The third one is research industry standards. So here, find the data in your job analysis to make uh, sure you are try to your current workforce. Test the results using the information from the government literature and corporate organizations. We need to do the research. Then, if there is any modifications are needed, revise job descriptions and standards. Discover most important qualification needed to do the job. Make a list for each job skills and edit or existing the job description if it is needed. Then use data to make changes. Look at the entire organization based on the analysis, determine the right task assigned to the right job for right person. If you find the job in one department is suitable for another team, move these tasks to the other job. Then this is what we call the job, the steps involved in the job analysis. First we need to identify the collection of the information and research methodology, analysis of job by collecting data, identify the job description and specification. If there is any modifications we can change it. That is known as the process of job analysis. Let me conclude. Job analysis can be understood as the process of gathering information related to the particular job. So it includes knowledge, skills, and abilities to work effectively. It is useful for the preparing job description and job specification too. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for your support and encouragement. Thank you, one and all.